Anyways, live is restarted. Chat should be on. I don't really know. We could do that one. Okay. 13 equals 4x minus 1. A good room. See, it looks like a lot, but it's not. The problem looks like a lot. Because this is what it looks like. Okay, first you have your problem. You have a problem right here. I want to get a new piece of paper. I'll see how this one. Actually, yes, I can. I can get a piece of paper without getting it. I'm just special to not know that. We're not gonna get the thick paper. We're gonna get the thin paper. Because my thick paper is good paper. And I don't want to waste that. Because I only have so many. I don't have so much. Okay. So it's gonna be. I don't know why I always do this before I write. 15x. I thought it was backwards. 15x plus 30 equals 105. Okay. So I'm going to teach you guys some math today. Welcome to Forrest's math teaching. Welcome to the amazing world of Forrest math. I don't know what to call it. Okay. So, I learned this last night, and I just did it, so I know how to do it. Hold on. I'm trying to reposition some stuff. Okay. So this is your equation, right? First, you're gonna do a line down the middle, so pretend like this equal sign isn't there, but it's still like the equation. Then you're gonna do a line that's like down. Like that. That's what you're gonna do, right? And then you're gonna. I have 15 people. People want to see me teach. Okay. I look like a teacher. I'm not trying to be a teacher, but I look like one. Okay. Alright, so you have your line, your equation, and then you're gonna take everything away from x. So first you're gonna cancel it out, and what you do to cancel out things is so if I have like a negative 15, you're gonna put a negative. If you have a negative 15, you're gonna put a positive 15 to cancel it out. That way it's like not there. So if this is a positive 30, you're gonna put a negative 30, and it should look like that. And then we're just gonna cross it out. You guys can put an X or whatever. I put a cross because that's just simple. It's easy. And then what happens over here? We're gonna give it to the equation too. So we're gonna do minus 30, and then we're gonna bring down this 15x. It could be anywhere. Just it has to be under this line to make sure you know that it's like there. Okay, and then you put 15 under here because we took away everything from x, and then now we're gonna leave x alone. So now it's just x, and now we're gonna put x over here, and then that's gonna be your answer. So it's gonna be like that. That's what. So you have your equation, and you canceled out 30 to take everything away from x, and then now you're subtracting 105 minus negative 30. But now we cross this out, so now we just need to do this. This answer would be 135. And so now we're going to divide. This was 15. This was a positive 15. And now we're going to put this over here too. So 35 divided by 15 is 9. So our answer would be x equals 9. That's how you get that. It looks difficult, but it's not. It's just a lot of steps. I'm going to keep this paper in case I need to do problems on my own. Literally, I just draw bubbles around because I don't want to mix up equations. So okay, like on tests, if I have like a paper and I actually write stuff on it, and I don't mean like doodles or messages or whatever, if I actually write on it and do problems on it, I just put bubbles around it, that way I don't get the equations confused with other ones or mixed with other ones. So this is gonna be my scratch paper. Beautiful scratch paper. All right, and now back to the problem. Back to a problem. Okay. Time to actually do math now. I hate math. Anyways, I don't really care though. It sucks to suck. And I bet chat is off because no one is talking. And I have 22 people on the live right now. Okay. 13. Okay, so we're going to take everything away from x. So we're going to do positive 1 right here. So this gets canceled out. And then we're going to put a positive 1 right here. And then we're going to bring down 4x. Put a line under it. And then we're going to put a 4. So then this is already canceled out. And then x equals blank. And then we're going to do what? 13 divided by 1, which would be 13, I think. Alexa, what is 13 divided by 1?
13 divided by 1 is 13.
Thought so. Okay. Wait, no, let's try. Okay, so I get 12. 12 and then 4. That'd be 3, right? Alexa, what is 12 divided by 4?
12 divided by 4 is 3.
Yeah, I thought so. Okay, I thought so. And then x equals 3. It's pretty easy now that I know what to do. But see, when it's in expanded form like this, it gets a little more confusing. But we're not going to worry about that because this is Forrest's math teachings. So we're not going to worry about that. Okay, where is my paper that I... Okay, so this... Got this one. I don't need this one. I don't need this one either now. So these are all good. Okay, okay. Find the error. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm not going to find the error because I don't want to. Alright, next page. Okay, so this is the one that's due tomorrow. And it's a lot. I have 39 pages, by the way. This is only a few of them. That's like 5. This is like 40. These are all stapled together, though, so I feel like it's going to be easier. Then I have some that aren't stapled, which is the rest of them. Alexa, what's 155 minus 254?
155 minus 254 is minus 99.
So I have 99 pages right here. Alexa, what is 254 minus 155?
254 minus 155 is 99.
I have 99 pages. No, I don't. No, there's no way this is 99 pages. I have 89 pages. This is not 99. Alexa, What is 254 divided by 155?
254 divided by 155 is approximately 1.6387.
Then I don't know how much this is. This is probably like 60 something. I have a lot to do. I know this is due by Monday, but the rest of it I don't know. Like the pages that aren't stapled, I don't know when is due, but I know these are due by Monday. And when I mean Monday, I mean tomorrow. My math teacher expects these to be done by tomorrow, which is kind of excessive, but whatever. Oh, come on. I'm not doing fractions. I don't care what she says, I'm not doing fractions. Because fractions are so hard. I just want the other one. I don't want the other one. Okay. What's a regular one I can do? Okay, I found some. There. Normal. Okay. So there's 23 people watching my live while I'm doing math homework. Okay, so you guys know those giant stacks that like parents say that they used to get for homework? That's what it feels like right now. I feel like I have 40,000 pages to do. And it's all due by Monday, or it's all due tomorrow. Yeah, mine's due tomorrow. I feel like my parents, because they yap about that so much. It's actually kind of annoying, but now I have to live through it, so karma, I guess. Okay. I always, every single time, rewrite out the question. 5x plus 2 equals 17. Line down the... What I always know where to put my line is right down the equal sign. That's where I always know where to put my line. And then I have my plus sign, which is great. And then we're already gonna put x equals blank because I feel like it right now. Okay, so we have to take everything away from x. So that'd be -2. Take that away. We gotta bring down the 5. That's a really bad 5. I did a line like I was gonna do a 1. And then I realized it was a 5, so I had to... Just look. It'll make more sense when I show you. Look. That was supposed to be a 5, but I did a 1, like that long line. That was gonna be a 1. But it was supposed to be a 5, so I just... Then, yeah. You guys get what I mean? Yeah, okay, good. Promise my 5s don't look that childish. They look much better than that. But, okay, and then we're gonna do... I always try and get one side done first, and then I do the other side. So, like, the side with the equation, I always try and get done first. So, like, the one with the solution on the other side, the one that's on the other side of the equal sign, I always try and get that side done last, because that's the most difficult part. All this is just simple, easy stuff. Now, this is gonna be weird, too. So, this answer should be positive. But we're subtracting. Alexa, what is positive 17 minus -2?
17 minus -2 is 19.
19. Wait, 19? Alexa, repeat that?
17 minus -2 is 19.
There's no that's 19. There's no that's 19. Okay, see what I don't get? I use my Echo, because I don't understand. I mean, I understand how to do the problem. I just don't understand if I subtract the negative or the positive first. Especially if I'm subtracting or dividing. That is my most difficult issue with this. That's like the biggest issue. The subtracting and the dividing. That's my biggest issue. Finding x is not that bad. As long as you know how to divide and subtract easily. I don't know them because I'm really bad at math. I'm horrible at math. I have a very, very long history of bad mathletes. I can do math. Math sucks. Probably why I hate math. That's weird. It's better. Okay. I'm trying to see something. It looks weird. The fur in my eye. Anyways. Okay. Why is this so difficult? Okay. Alexa, what is positive 17 minus negative 2?
17 minus minus 2 is 19.
There's no way. Okay. I'm gonna look at my other pages. Hold on. Where's the other one? I'm still in the stapled one. Okay. Okay, so it's this one. And this is the one with all the equations on it. Okay. So technically we're adding. So that would be 19. I guess. That's gonna be a decimal. 5 minus 19. 5 divided by 19, that's definitely going to be a decimal. Alexa, what is 5 divided by 19?
5 divided by 19 is approximately 0.2632.
That's what I said. Alexa, repeat that.
5 divided by 19 is approximately 0.2632.
Alexa, what is 19 divided by 5?
19 divided by 5 is 3.8.
See what I mean? It is a decimal. 3.8? Is that shit? Alexa, repeat that. Alexa, repeat that.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, stop. I don't want music. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Alexa, what is 19 divided by 5?
19 divided by 5 is 3.8.
Okay, I thought so. I think I did it right. I've been doing it like the entire time. Alexa, what is 5x plus 2 equals 17?
The solution for 5x plus 2 equals 17 is 3.
No. That's not what I got. Not what I got. Okay, I'm gonna put this into Goth, guys. I will be right back. I've been doing it wrong the whole time. We're supposed to be subtracting. We are subtracting. I did adding. So it is 3. It is just plain 3. Because the answer is 15. So it is a whole number. We're gonna add 15 right here, and then we're gonna get rid of this, because 105. Alexa, what is 105 minus 30?
105 minus 30 is 75.
75. Alexa, what is 105 minus 30?
105 minus 3 is 102.
Alexa, what is 105 minus 30?
105 minus 30 is 75.
I thought it was 75. Alexa, what if 15x plus 30 equals 105?
The solution for 15x plus 30 equals 105 is 5.
So the solution is 5. This is why I can't do math, guys. Okay, anyways. So we are subtracting no matter what. So we're basically, okay, so if it's a negative, so if it's I feel like if it's a negative, alright, so if the negative is in the answer, like if the answer is negative 18, then we're going to be subtracting deeper into the negative. So it would be like if we were doing negative 18 minus 2, it'd be frickin' negative 20. But if the positive number is on the top, that's when we get our answer for that's when we subtract and we go lower into the, okay, technically we go higher into the negatives, but we go lower in the positives. That's basically what we're doing here. Okay, our next one. So x equals 3, and then we got 19. You guys already know this is going to be bad for me. 4x plus 3. Alright, line. What am I doing here? How can you hold me? Can you hold me? Can you? Okay, so this is going to go lower into the positives. So 19 minus 3 would be 16. 19, 18, 17, 16. Yeah, 16. 16. And then we take down that 4x line 4. Alexa, what is 16 divided by 4?
16 divided by 4 is 4.
Alright, and so I know how to do it like flawlessly now. Like I can just do it mentally because I know exactly what to do now. I feel so proud of myself. I can actually do math. I just asked frickin' Google for whatever though. We do get calculators in class though. We do get calculators. Like we're allowed to use calculators. We're allowed to use calculators, but yeah. I feel like it's like 2 people that I know that are watching my live right now. One of them is probably Morgie. But whatever, man. Alright. Okay. This is the example that I used from negative 18. Negative 18 equals 6 plus 6x. Line. X equals blank. That's gonna be a negative 6 to get that out of here. Take that 6x, boom, 6. Okay, and then we're gonna take this, transfer it to a 6. This would be a positive. No, this is gonna be a negative. Alexa, what is negative 18 minus negative 6?
Minus 18 minus minus 6 is minus 12.
It is a negative. Wait. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. Alexa, what is negative 12 divided by 6?
Minus 12 divided by 6 is minus 2.
Negative 2. X equals negative 2. Okay. So after this, I have 2 more normal ones, and then the rest are fractions and decimals, which we're not going to do because I don't know how to do those. It's the same format. It's literally the exact same format. It's just more difficult, you know? Like, I'm sorry, I had a weird moment there. Aww. Yay! Hi. Homework. Okay, homework. Negative 3x minus 9 equals 15. Bring that down. So both of these are positive, so it's going to give you a negative. So 15 minus 9. It's definitely going to give me a negative. Okay, 15 minus 9. Would it be like 3? No, it's 6. Alright. X. Alexa, what is 6 divided by negative 3?
6 divided by minus 3 is minus 2.
Again, negative 2. This is weird. I have the same answer. Are you okay? Alexa, what is 15 minus 9?
15 minus 9 is 6.
Okay, it is 6. I want to make sure I was still in the positives. Okay, we're going to do this, and then I'm going to chill out for a minute because I've done a lot. Okay, so 5 equals 3x minus 14. Line, away from x. 14, you disgusting number, get away from x. X is special. My bad, I got a notification for my screen time. That'd be plus 13. Alexa, what is negative 5 minus 14?
Minus 5 minus 14 is minus 19.
Alexa, what is negative 5 minus positive 14?
Minus 5 minus 14 is minus 19.
It is still 19, okay. Bring down that 3x. Give me a 3 so I can take x and I can convert you to an answer. I feel like I'm just... Okay, so whenever I do this, I feel like I'm just like... not wafting. Wafting is not the... Not the right word at all. I feel like I'm... What's it called? Like just like passing around X. You know how like when rumors spread, it's passed around from person to person? That's how I feel about with X. It just gets passed around. Oh, I saw an algebra I saw an algebra joke on a shirt saying, "Dear algebra, stop asking us to find your X. She's never coming back, and don't ask why. It is the funniest thing. I love it. Okay. 3. Alexa, what is negative 19 divided by 3?
Minus 19 divided by 3 is approximately minus 6.3333.
Alexa, what is positive 3 divided by negative 19?
3 divided by minus 19 is approximately minus 0.1579.
Alexa, what is negative 19 divided by 3?
Minus 19 divided by 3 is approximately minus 6.3333.
Alexa, what is negative 19 divided by positive 3?
Minus 19 divided by 3 is approximately minus 6.3333.
So 6.3. Okay. I'm done with math. I can't do any more math. This actually hurts my head. I'm already at 3 pages because I hate math and I'm not doing fractions or decimals because with fractions, the last time I did a fraction with this equation, the denominator changed, and denominators aren't supposed to change, especially when you're doing problems. So it's weird unless you're doing like mixed variables or mixed variables or like numbers that have different denominators. Then a denominator changes, or both of them. I don't know, but yeah. Anyways, I'm bored and I want to play music, but I don't want to get copyrighted. So I think I might end the live. I have 5 likes and we're at 32 minutes and 30. No, we're at 32 minutes and 40 seconds right now. So I'm sorry, I sound like dead. I'm sorry, I can sound more alive. I just don't feel like it because I have to be like, oh, hi guys. Welcome to my lovely channel where I do math problems. Like, I don't want to be like that and just like my normal voice. So like, yeah. I feel like y'all think I'm glitching or some kind of crap. I'm weird. I'm really weird. Pretty interesting. I'm gonna end the live. I'm sorry, guys. To the 3 people who are watching, I'm sorry. I'm going to end the live. I love you all. I'm gonna go eat some delicious breakfast. I'm gonna go make some pancakes. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Mwah. I love you, my stars.